Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the origin of arthropods. As you are aware that arthropods are one of the most successful and abundant animals on this planet Earth. They are not only successful in the current era, but they have also been successful in the past. When we talk about the history and the fossil record, they are also one of the most successful phyla in the past. Now, when we talk about the origin of arthropods, it is believed that they originated along with polychaetes some 600 million years ago, and they share common ancestor with the phylum Annelida. So they have so many distinct similarities when along with the animals of phylum Annelida. When we talk about the history and the fossil record of this phylum Arthropoda, we see that during the Cambrian period, Cambrian is an ancient period in the phylogeny. If we see that at the time of Cambrian explosion, when so many different species arose on this planet Earth, including plants and animal species, even at that time, arthropods, they were very successful, and they inhabited and they diversified and they became successful even in this Cambrian explosion time. Now, when we see the fossil record, we see a lot of varieties of different animals of this phylum. They exist in different fossil collections. Now, when we talk about the recent times, even today, they are one of the largest and most successful animals with over 1 million identified species. As you can see on the screen, there are different examples of this phylum. They are found in every continent and in every ocean. They can also be found in ponds, plants, even on animals, even inside animals, and even in houses. The phylum Arthropoda is, it's because of it's a huge phylum, it is divided into subphyla. Basically, there are 4 subphyla. Number 1 is Chelicerates, that comprises sea spiders, horseshoe crabs, scorpions, ticks, mites, and spiders. Then we have Myriapods. This subphyla contains centipedes and millipedes. These are the animals with multiple pair of legs. Then we have pancrustaceans. It's a diverse group that includes different insects as well as lobsters, shrimps, barnacles, and other crustaceans. Then we also have 4th phyla Hexapoda, which comprises of almost 87% of all arthropods, and it is mostly terrestrial, with some of its species they are found in the freshwater bodies as well. Now, when we talk about the economic importance of this phylum, they are of tremendous economic values. Even when we talk about the food, the pollination, drugs, dyes, and waxes, etc. As you are aware that most of the pollination of the plants is done through honeybees. So scientists believe that if somehow honeybees are extinct on this planet, then a time will come soon when human will also get extinct from this planet.